We got our first hands-on look at the S24 Ultra a few days ago, mostly from the rear. However, we still don't have a picture of its front. Ice Universe has released a series of fragmentary photos that purport to show the real S24 Ultra. These images show comparisons with the S23 Ultra and S22 Ultra, demonstrating a substantially flatter display with a much decreased bottom bezel. The uniformity of the bezels makes the S24 Ultra more visually pleasing than prior Ultra phones. The picture also shows the size of the punch-hole camera, which has shrunk in comparison to the S23 Ultra. Evan Blass revealed official marketing images of the S24 Ultra as well as the S24 Plus, however he obscured them since Samsung generally copies them. You may see it if you squint, but it shows that the S24 Ultra's hero color will be titanium, with green for the S24 Plus. According to reports, Samsung will release a 16GB RAM variant of the S24 Ultra. That does not seem to be the case. It'll still be 12GB. This eliminates the rumored 2TB storage variant. On the plus side, the S24 Plus now comes in a 12GB RAM variant, although the basic S24 will keep its 8GB RAM. Through the Shop Samsung app, Samsung is providing a 25% discount on the S23 Ultra as well as an updated trade-in bargain. Samsung has officially announced a new form of RAM for mobile devices with generative AI, hinting at its possible inclusion in the S24 family. The benefit of this RAM over the normal RAM on our current phones is that it has extremely low latency, which is a game changer for AI as well as gaming since low latency is required for both jobs, which will immediately improve overall performance. Surprisingly, this RAM will cohabit with standard RAM, sitting right next to the CPU. As a result, it will only be utilized for AI and gaming, as well as any other work requiring low latency. Samsung hasn't explicitly said that the S24 will feature this technology, but sources indicate that it will. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.